Okay, what we have is a 2010 Honda Element rear wiper blade replacement. So all you do for these are pretty nice. You just bring it out, fold this up as far as you can, and just go ahead and turn it the rest of the way out, and it comes right out. It's actually got a semi-round cylinder in there that it sits on, but there's a flat spot on it. So when you pull it to that certain point, it comes right out. And then to replace it, you would just stick it back in. We happen to sell Anco wiper blades here. Part number for this would be a UR121. And the blade itself will come with several adapters that actually pop right onto the top of the blade. So if you look at my thumb, this is the blade, this is the adapter. So there it'll have that cylinder with one part of the cylinder will be flat. So to install it, you just come back the same way. You place it on there. I think this piece may be on backwards. It can't be that way. Oh, okay, so you put that on first. That's the trick. So you put the adapter on first, and then you slide your blade right on and clip it in. Now, one more thing, there is a plastic cover on this blade. Because it's a silicone blade, they put a plastic cover on it. So you definitely want to remember to remove that cover. And voila, that quick and easy. Thank you for watching.